Petrichor, widely defined as a pleasant smell that frequently accompanies the first rain after a long period of warm, dry weather. But petrichor is a warm cup of coffee after events of cold shoulders frowning at you. It reminds me of presents knocking at my door, that they matter but not too much because you are present. But petrichor is a tap on my shoulder and a whisper lined with letters of assurance. I am here, do not fear, says the Lord. Petrichor. It is a sweet hello to my nostrils and a magnifier of God's creativity. It reminds me